Okay, never mind, let's start, okay? Let's start. Today, we're going to do, again, 3 types of English questions. So it's grammar cloze, comprehension cloze, and situational writing, all right? Not so creative as the last time, not so open to imagination, but nonetheless, still some scope for a little bit of creativity. Okay, we need to create ideas in order to flesh out the points that are given to us under those bulleted guidelines, right? So answer all the questions as they come up. Okay, everybody can see, right? Anybody can't see this screen that I'm sharing with you, this PowerPoint screen. All okay? Everybody okay? Thumbs up. You know how to do the thumbs up, right? Use the icon. You know how to use the icon? Just to test. Yeah, thanks, Janice. You got it. Yeah. Everybody, yes, Yancy. Yes, God, yes. Right, everybody, well done, well done. Yes, thanks, Yancy. Thanks, Willow. Ah, Jared, I see you. Wow, such a handsome boy. Why are you in the dark? Right? Come. Let's go on and see what it is that we are going to do. So these are the things we're going to cover. No? Grammar cloze, comprehension cloze, and situational writing. Let's go first to grammar cloze. So there are 10 blanks and then 10 marks, of course, right? And how many options are there? A to Q. I think there are 15, not mistaken. Oh, no, more than that. Yeah, there are 15. Right? There are 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 3, 15. That's right. Because they leave out the I, right? You know why they leave out the I, right? Why? Anybody can tell me why? Can you write on the chat? Why is it that I is missing? The letter I is missing. Why?
To avoid confusion when marking.
Ah, thank you. Is that Janice?
Yeah.
Yeah, to avoid confusion when marking. Because the I, some people just put 1 stroke now and then it looks like 1, right? Okay, so they want to avoid that, so they leave out the I. Okay, so let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, the first one, as usual. Okay, I will type the number in, and then everybody will type their answer. Okay, so number 1. What is your answer for number 1? Which of the grammatical items is suitable for number 1? Okay, let's see. Okay, Jingyi has given me the answer. And who else? Right. Wow. So far, everybody seems to be concurring. That is, they are agreeing. There are 5 of you, 6 of you. Good, good. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Oh, actually, there are 4 of you only. 4 of you only. How about the rest? What is your answer? Number 1. 5 seconds, go. Four, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. So, hey, hold on. Let me check something. Hey, yeah. Okay. Right. Okay, Shubhiksha has just gone in. Come in. Okay, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of you. Okay, let's have more people responding. Okay, the rest of you are not very sure, but everybody who responded say it is Q. And Q means at, one stormy night at sea. Exactly, all right? At sea is correct. Oops. So it should be Q. So remember, I told you it's good to write the answer, the actual answer below the blank. Then you write the letter in the blank, because that is what the instruction says, right? It's letter in the blank, right? So these are letters, A, B, C, D, these are letters. They are letters belonging to the English alphabets. Okay, so the English, how many alphabets do they have? How many alphabets does English language have? You know?
26.
26 letters. 26 letters. But how many alphabets?
1.
Most people would say one alphabet, right? Okay, so 26 letters making up one alphabet. But do you know that there are other English alphabets? Like, for example, there is the what do you call the International Phonetic Alphabet. International Phonetic Alphabets, and usually used for English, right? IPA, it's called the IPA. And well, different languages will have their different sets of alphabets. Okay. So, but by and large, we would consider English, right, one set of alphabets made up of 26 letters. Okay. So one stormy night at sea. What about next one then now? Number 2. Right? Give me your answers for number 2. Right. More people now. 8 people. Come on. Last chance. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And everybody again concur that it is letter B. However, is that correct? Letter B is on board. Everyone on board drowned except Lemuel, Gulliver. So it is correct. B is correct. Oh, oh dear. Yes, no. Somehow or other, always. Okay, never mind. Now, think of a way to do it. I said the last time. Gulliver was an excellent swimmer and swam for many miles. So what is the answer for number 3? Post your answer. Wow, that was fast. And we have even more now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7. Some more? Any more? 7. That's about 75%. So it's a good number. Okay. And again, everybody agrees. They write the same answer before. Okay. And you're actually correct. You are correct. Gulliver was an excellent swimmer and swam for many miles before he reached land. And when he got there, he decided to sleep. Gulliver slept. What is the answer for number 4? That was quick. That was quick. Janice and Lucas. Quick fingers. Quick minds. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, there is a little bit of divergence of opinions here. It's A or E. Gulliver slept. for or slept off a whole day? I would rather think it was 4, okay? It was 4. It's more 4. 4 a whole day. Okay, Gulliver slept. So it's a preposition. Gulliver slept a whole day. Sleep off a whole day is like as if like you get rid of one of a whole day, right? Sleep off a whole day. I don't know whether that is I seem to it sounds familiar, but it's also rather informal. Like Gulliver steps off a whole day. It's more for a whole day. Okay. Woke up to find the sun bearing what on him? Wow, a lot of prepositions, right? Ready? Number 5. Fast again, Janice, and now Subiksha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of you. I have 6 people. 7, great. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And most of you actually chose G. Right? Most of you chose G, right? G. And G is down, bearing down, and that is correct. Home woke up to find the sun bearing down on him, right? The sun bears down because the sun is high in the sky. And he tried to move, but realized he could not. His hair, his hands, legs, and okay, this one is and body were tied to the ground. He shifted his eyes and saw little men running. What? So what is the answer for number 6? What is the answer for number 6? Oh, click on the draw again, Janice and Lucas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, that is a record. Better. Good, good. We're progressing. And all of you agree that it is the letter. Whoops. D. And here it is, D. Okay, you're running around him. Running around him. That's the letter D. Okay, and you are correct. Where's D? D, I just marked it out. Okay, D is wrong, correct. So well done, everybody. You are on the roll. Let's go on to number 7. One of the little men used letters. We are the Lilliputians. We will take you to our emperor. Please do not make any trouble. The huge wooden structure, what wheels was brought. So number 7, answer please. Wow, so many of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, back to 7. Do we have more? Do we have more? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Most of you put the answer as M, which is with. Okay. Oh, so let's see now. You have A, B, G, L, D, right? A, B, G, L, and D. Those are the ones that have been, and Q, of course, Q. Yeah. Q. Q here, Q, right? So now we've got M also. So M wheels is absolutely correct. Okay. So with